Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. As a UPSC expert, I would recommend aspirants to focus on the following neglected but scoring topics for the preliminary exam. Environment ecology. Questions related to environmental conservation, biodiversity, climate change, and sustainable development are often overlooked but can yield high scores if studied comprehensively. Government schemes and policies. Many aspirants neglect this area, but questions related to various government initiatives, programs, and policies are frequently asked in the exam and can be scoring if thoroughly understood. Third is international relations. Topics such as bilateral and multilateral relations, international organizations, and recent global developments often carry significant weightage but are often overlooked by candidates. Fourth topic is science and technology. While the technical aspects might seem daunting, understanding basic scientific principles, recent advancements, and their applications in daily life can help secure good marks in this section. Fifth topic is current affairs. Although not neglected, many candidates fail to cover current affairs comprehensively. Staying updated with national and international news, especially related to socio-economic, political, and environmental issues, is crucial for scoring well. Indian economy. Aspirants sometimes overlook this subject due to its vastness, but questions related to economic concepts, policies, and recent economic developments in India can be quite scoring if prepared diligently. Art and culture. This topic encompasses various aspects of Indian heritage, including architecture, dance, music, literature, and festivals. While it may seem less important, questions from this area are often included and can be scoring if studied systematically. By focusing on these neglected but scoring topics along with the core subjects, aspirants can enhance their chances of success in the UPSC preliminary exam. All the best and keep yourself updated with Academy Check.